What are you little ladies doing?
I'm shuffling.
Well, it's our third day here, and well, mommy is still sleeping. Oh my goodness. What are we gonna do today, Mary Lou? Do you remember?
We're going to see the animals in the water, and we're going to the Coca-Cola.
Yeah. So we're going to the aquarium today and to the Coca-Cola factory. So
We can take all this so that
we woke up before mommy. This does not happen, but we'll see you in a bit.
I'm up.
Oh my.
Up.
So room is semi-clean. Milani's doing her hair. Good morning, Milani. How you feeling? Good. And well, mommy's not ready yet, but because she's being a mommy. Whatever. I don't know how to do hair. I've tried, dude, and it's very difficult. Very difficult. But yeah, we're gonna go eat some breakfast right now.
What's for breakfast, you know?
Bagels, cream cheese.
Oh.
And that's what I told him to. Alright, bet. I think the next video is gonna be us outside leaving in the car. Later. Morning, Mary Lou.
Top of the morning to you.
Eating some banana and a bagel. Nice.
Nice.
Go check out outside. Ah, man. You don't get this in Cali, man. I love Cali, though. I'll stay in Cali all my life. But this, look at this, man. This is where we're staying at, Cleveland, Georgia. And I think later today... Oh, look, there's my dog. Taco! Hi, boy! That's my dog.
We get it.
Well, yeah, this is the morning. Look at it. Take it in, and you'll have a great day. Alright, so we got to the aquarium and it was kind of we went through a long stairs, so but the aquarium, we're here at the aquarium. I think it should be fun, and we'll keep you guys updated. Lulu.
We found you.
Why did it say Lulu? Kind of looked like you.
Well, what's so funny? You want to die an old man?
So I'm tripping out because these fish are not moving. Why aren't they moving?
You're depressed.
Okay, so this is pretty cool. Not our size, but
There, go see us over there.
oh.
Like the guard. Yeah.
Milani, come see the turtles. What you doing up there? You're climbing? Your daughter's climbing. What do you guys think of the dolphins? You know they're really smart. Probably smarter than you. Hey, you. So they always said kids were clingy. I don't think so. Give me a kiss. Yeah, but it's the ones that were on the menu. But yeah, we came to eat. Pretty long line. You know, we were all the way back there. Moves pretty fast. Girls, anything you learned today? Be serious right now. We'll get back to you. Merlani, who was your favorite animal? Who? I was your favorite animal? How dare you?
How dare you?
Mary Lou, what was your favorite animal?
The thing that goes.
Oh, what was the name of that whale, babe?
The one we saw there?
Yeah, buffalo whale?
Voyage or?
Oh, yeah, something like that. Something like that. We'll figure it out in a bit. But that one's your favorite? Oh, nice. I like that one too. He came out on Finding Dory.
And then my second one is the shark that also shows up in Finding
You saw that
Nemo.
one? That shark was intimidating, huh? You're not scared, right? Ow. Okay, so we're going on a moving platform. Don't move, girls, okay? Oh, finally out of the aquarium, my love. Which one was your favorite fish? What about you, Bo?
What?
Any favorite fish?
I like jellyfish. Those are
Actually,
cool.
no, those were beautiful. Milani, you didn't answer me earlier. What's your favorite fish?
Little one.
The little ones? Nice. It's super cool because that's where the aquarium is, right? Well, now we go to the Coca-Cola factory. You can tell the big cap, Coca-Cola logo. What?
What was her favorite? What was her
Oh
favorite?
yeah, what was your favorite fish?
A giant.
Oh, the giant ones now? How much were women's shoes before? $4? What? That's so cheap. What about the newspaper? How much do you think that was? 1 cent? What about a car? Let's see how much a car was before. $950. That's so cheap. Look, girls, do you know that Coca-Cola owns all of these drinks? Coca-Cola owns all of them. Look at how many. Which ones have you guys tried? Oh snap, girls, Mary Lou. Time to taste some Coca-Colas. All right, you ready? Which one are you gonna try first? We'll see. Come on, let's get some cups. All right, so done with the aquarium, done with the Coke museum, with the Coca-Cola. Yeah, you stopped bleeding, no more.
She wants to show them.
Oh, yeah, Milani was bleeding a little bit,
Oh, come on.
but she's good now. Okay, so the day's coming to an end, really. You know, we walk the dogs. Say hi to Taco again. Taco, hey boy. Hey, papacete hermoso. And yeah, let's just do a little walk. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow. And yeah, appreciate y'all. All right, like, comment, subscribe. See you. This is my old dog. Start running. Hey, what's up, boy? You bum me? I'm just kidding. Let's go.